See the food. Eat. Good. Eat. Eat. See it. Eat. That's yours. I see you do. Because you don't can never back. Come on. Eat. Good job. This is coming back right now. I look for this week, but it's never back. But yung isa pa wala na. Nakita ko kahapon lang pero ngayon lang sila bumalik. Yun ko nga bakit. So, count. Count. Busog ka na. Good job. Good job. Eat. That's good. That's good, Miming. It's my neighbor's over there because he's shopping. I think he's shopping for a Sam's Club because there's a lot of food over there. Buy it, and the cats over there is coming, but they don't give some food. But now I called the Miming. He's coming for me, but they have some cat food also because my earring sila sa lobby. Ito yung earring kung stray bitaw. Mga wild nga earring ba nga stray cat. Yun. Ito tinawag ko, kumain na siya. Kasi naghanap siya ng pagkain eh. That's good. Gabi na hapit na mungit-ngit. Kaya magkakuha na pa mag-alas City Media. That's good. Ito neighbors ko kay shopping sa Sam's Club. Kay soon wala yung mga ano natin dito kay bubos na tayo ng pagkain because now there's crisis in the world now. That's good. Kasi yung neighbors ko bumili siya marami kasi magagawa ng food ngayong next month probably. Pero gusto kong sumati ng mga food rin kasi sabi nga nila, why you don't finish? Meow, meow, meow. Why you don't finish? Umalis siya. Bumalik doon. Ayun ko nga, bakit? Tingnan ko na. Hindi siya pumunta doon. Kasi stray cats sila eh. Stray cats. Pumunta doon. Umikot doon sa isang kabila. Ayun dito tao. Pumunta. Neighbors ko rin dito. Yung Filipino neighbors. Hindi ko alam sino sila. Kasi dito walang hindi mo kilala yung mga kapitbahay mo. Sino mga pangalan nila. Dito din sa Amerika. Hindi mo kilala sino ang kapitbahay mo. Yan ang sikreto dito.